Hey there, ever wondered what makes up the natural world around us? Today, I'm going to break down the concept of ecosystems in a way that's super easy to understand. So, what exactly is an ecosystem? Think of it as a community of living organisms. Plants, animals, and microorganisms, all interacting with each other and their physical environment. It's like a huge, interconnected web where every strand has a role to play. You might be surprised to learn that ecosystems are everywhere. From the lush rainforests and dry deserts, to the bustling urban parks and even your own backyard. Each one is unique with its own set of conditions and inhabitants. Now let's talk about the two main components, biotic and abiotic factors. Biotic factors include all living things, plants, animals, fungi and bacteria. Abiotic factors are the non-living parts, sunlight, water, air and minerals. Both are crucial for the balance and health of the ecosystem. An important concept to understand is biodiversity, the variety of life in an ecosystem. High biodiversity means a more resilient ecosystem. It can better withstand changes and disturbances. Think of it like having a well-balanced team. If one player is out, others can step in to keep things running smoothly. But ecosystems aren't just random assortments of life. They have complex relationships and food chains. Producers, like plants, convert sunlight into energy. Herbivores eat the plants. Carnivores eat the herbivores. And decomposers, like fungi and bacteria, break down dead matter, recycling nutrients back into the system. Humans are also a part of this intricate web. Our actions can have profound impacts, both positive and negative. That's why it's so important to understand and protect our ecosystems. After all, they provide us with clean air, water and food. Not to mention they are home to countless species that make our planet so wonderfully diverse. So next time you step outside, take a moment to appreciate the ecosystem around you. It's a beautiful, dynamic system that supports all life on Earth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more nature insights.